In today's fast-moving world, more people than ever are searching for practical, stylish, and space-efficient ways to organize their homes. And that rising demand has created a powerful opportunity for woodworkers, creators, and small-scale builders. Among the most consistently profitable products today, few categories perform as reliably as shoe racks and bookshelves. These pieces aren't just home accessories, they're solutions to everyday problems. Whether people need to declutter an entryway, create a reading nook, or maximize space in small apartments, simple wooden storage pieces remain an essential part of modern living. But what makes this niche especially attractive for builders and sellers is the balance between low material cost, simple construction, and high resale value. Even small workshops can produce elegant, trend-ready designs that customers love. And because homeowners constantly refresh and reorganize their spaces, the market for shoe racks and bookshelves continues to grow across online stores, local markets, and custom-order platforms. In this narration, we'll explore the many ways you can turn this category into a stable and long-term income stream. We'll walk through high-demand styles, functional features that increase the selling price, and creative approaches that help your work stand out. Most importantly, we'll focus on how you can take simple pieces of wood and transform them into beautiful storage designs buyers are ready to pay for every single day. So settle in, because this deep dive will give you the insight, strategies, and inspiration you need to build shoe racks and bookshelves that don't just look great, they sell great. Shoe racks and bookshelves have one thing in common: they solve problems that every home faces: organization, storage, and beauty. And that's precisely what makes them such dependable profit makers. Whether you operate a small workshop, a home garage, or a full-time woodworking business, these items offer a perfect balance of predictable sales, scalable designs, and creative freedom. To understand why they are so effective, you first have to look at what customers expect today. Modern buyers want furniture that is simple, minimal, and easy to fit into any interior. They want clean lines, warm natural textures, and pieces that serve more than one purpose. This shift in lifestyle has made compact shelves, slim shoe racks, and multifunctional bookcases some of the best-selling items online. Let's begin with shoe racks, because these tend to attract a wide range of customers: families, students, renters, and homeowners. Shoe racks are ideal for selling because the designs can start extremely simple. Even a basic two-tier rack made from softwood, neatly sanded and finished, can fetch a surprisingly good price. The key is presentation. A minimal rack with evenly spaced slats and smooth rounded edges immediately feels more refined than one with sharp corners and rough surfaces. Buyers often judge quality visually long before they touch the product. But the beauty of shoe racks goes beyond the basics. Once you master low-tier designs, you can move into three-tier racks, cubby-style racks, rotating racks, and wall-mounted racks, each offering a higher earning potential. The market especially favors racks with a slim profile because modern apartments rarely offer excess space. Designs that can hold 10 to 12 pairs while occupying minimal floor area are consistent winners. Another fact to consider: many customers want shoe storage that does more than store shoes. This is where you can set yourself apart. Bench-style shoe racks, which combine seating and storage, command a significantly higher price because they serve two functions at once. These are particularly popular in entryways, hallways, and mudrooms, making them an extremely profitable category. Adding a wooden or cushion top transforms a simple shelf into a premium item, and customers are often willing to pay double for that extra convenience. Moving beyond shoe racks, you enter the world of bookshelves, a category where design creativity expands dramatically. Bookshelves appeal to people of all ages for many different reasons. Some want a minimalist shelf for novels, others want a decorative unit for home office supplies, while others seek full-wall designs that transform their space into a cozy retreat. The versatility of this product category is one of the reasons it continues to perform strongly in the market. When creating shelves that sell, the construction doesn't always have to be complicated. In fact, some of the most profitable bookshelf styles are extremely straightforward, simple rectangular frames with adjustable or fixed shelves. What matters is proportion, finish, and functionality. A clean, well-balanced shelf instantly feels stylish, even if the structure itself is simple. Buyers expect durability, but they also love natural charm. Using visible wood grains, adding subtle curves, or including a contrasting color accent can drastically increase appeal. One of the most popular bookshelf trends today is ladder shelves. These shelves lean against the wall, creating a sense of lightness and modern style. They're perfect for plants, books, decorative items, and small accessories. Ladder shelves sell exceptionally well because they're space-efficient and visually striking without requiring complex joinery. Building them is fairly quick, yet they fetch high profits due to their trendiness. Another high-demand category is floating bookshelves. These minimalist shelves appear to float without visible brackets, making them a favorite for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. The beauty of floating shelves is that they require very little wood, meaning your cost stays low, while the selling price remains strong, especially when sold in sets of 3 or more. For buyers looking for something bold, geometric shelves are a fantastic option. Hexagonal, triangular, or asymmetrical shelves add artistic flair to any room and naturally attract design-conscious customers. These pieces often serve as decor as much as storage, making them perfect for customers willing to spend a bit more for originality. If you want to target a higher-end market, consider solid wood bookshelves with cabinet-style bases. And that brings us to the end of this narration on high-demand shoe racks and bookshelves, two product categories that continue to bring daily profit to woodworkers everywhere. If you found inspiration, new ideas, or motivation in this video, we truly appreciate your support. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.